how to turn on or off grayscale on Candy Crush. So if you're noticing your Candy Crush game in black and white or want to turn on grayscale mode on or off, you simply need to first launch Candy Crush Soda Saga app. Make sure that you log into your account if you have account, or if you don't, then you can create one. So let's select play bottom. You will land on this homepage where you can see the gear icon at top right. Navigate to there. Now choose Accessibility Feature option. Select that and on this section you will see Grayscale board. In order to turn on Grayscale on Candy Crush, toggle on the button and make it to green in color. If you wish to turn it back off, simply tap on the button once more and then you need to turn it back to gray. And with that, you can easily turn on or off grayscale on Candy Crush. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.